The SRB photos show that foam loss from that bracket area and the flight path it took. We got a little unlucky that it hit the ET attached strut. And you can see the highlighted piece here. You can see that piece of foam come right off, and if you have quick enough eyes, you can see it hit that strut and shoot straight up into the underside of it. We kind of have a chain of evidence here that we looked at the pre-launch photos and saw some ice buildup in that bracket. We have a history of cracking that foam from that ice buildup. It's a concern because it's a BX250 foam, which is not that dense. The damage location site is by the star. Why is this important? Well, the damage is right underneath this stringer, which actually was lucky. We don't know if we're going to have any elevated temperatures in that area or not. If we did, though, being under a stringer is extremely good because that provides a much greater heat sink. We will do a focused inspection and go look at that area very closely with a laser that can give you a 3D picture of the damage.